Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the Roblox error which is failed to find Roblox process krnl injector. This error which is failed to find the Roblox process on krnl indicates that the krnl exploit could not locate the Roblox process in the computer's memory whenever the user tries to inject the script using the krnl into the game. And other reasons during injecting exploit unable to find the Roblox process running in the background. And next one, the Roblox process might be terminated, and the other one, the account might be taken for the test. So let me show you how to fix fail to find a Roblox process error on your computer. Method 1, clear Roblox cache from your computer. For that, just click on start menu and type run, and you can see run here. Just click on it, and here just type %temp click OK. It will open temp folder here, and just find Roblox folder here. Here it is. Just select and delete. Now the Roblox cache is cleared from your computer. After that, method to clear Roblox logs from your computer. For that, just click on start menu and type run. You can see run here. Just click on it, and here just type app data. Just click OK. It will open app data folder, and here just click and open local folder, and here you can see Roblox folder. Just click and open, and here you can see logs folder. Just click and open, and select all the logs here and delete. It will clear all the logs from your computer. After that, method 3, run Roblox as an administrator. For that, just right click on Roblox player and click on properties, and it will open the Roblox player properties, and here you can see compatibility of tab. Just click on it, and under settings you can see run this program as an administrator. Just tick this box, and also same time you can check this option also, disable full screen optimizations. Just tick and apply OK. After these 3 methods, you can try to open your Roblox player and try to check whether the issue resolved or not. If these 3 methods does not helping for you, you can go to the final step, which is method 4, uninstall and reinstall Roblox player from your computer. For that, just click on start menu and go to control panel, and here you can see programs and features. Just click on it, and here you have to find Roblox player. Click on it and click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is completed, after that you have to restart your PC once. After that, for reinstall the Roblox to your computer, just to go to this web link. I will put this web link on video description. You can find over there, and once you go this location, you can see download option, and first you have to download. After that, install the Roblox on your computer. That will resolve your issue. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share to others, and subscribe for future videos.